Hello everyone. We're going to go ahead and run this. I think I got a couple of payments out there still, but we're good. Let's get you a winner for this. We're going to go live. Here we go. We've got a local time of 8:28 p.m. 8:28 p.m. And our list has the 45 names. 45 spots, I should say, at 8:28 p.m. Alright guys, we did go live, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and roll the dice. We're going to 3-dice roll. Here's our dice. First round, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, top spot takes the 2 books home. Good luck, and your winner is spot 30, Chad Parkhill. Spot 30, Chad Parkhill. We're going to go ahead and we're going to come down. There is your verification. Random. 829, 829, 829. Again, there's your top spot, guys. Congratulations. We are done. Alright, winner, please PM me. Thanks a lot, guys.